Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Remember, I'm about to start a CPA course, and the sites which you shall be working on will be AdBlueMedia and CPA Grip. Now, AdBlueMedia, they had their registration stopped for a while, but now they are open, and you can see this is my newly created account. I created it on around 19th May. You can see the screenshot here. This screenshot is from my email, which I used to create this AdBlueMedia account. So this means that AdBlueMedia account, they're accepting new registration. They usually do it for a while, then they close it. So if you are willing or planning to join my CPA course, make sure you follow this video on how to create an AdBlueMedia account. Now, without wasting time, let's go to another web browser. Here where I've searched the AdBlueMedia account. So let me click AdBlueMedia. It's a quite simple process. So if you're new, just click register an account, then just put your names here. So let me just use random names. Let's say Isaac. State and city is the same here. So basically you just provide the necessary information. This is the postal code. Whichever you can say here, I've paying or YouTube or Vault. These are the sites which review various CPA marketing networks, but me I like using AFPaying. Once you do a website, where did you hear about us? Website. Here they ask you a website if you have a website or something, but if you don't have a website, you can leave it, or you can put your landing page. But if you don't have any of those, you can leave it blank. Promotional method. This is where you say how you'll be promoting your offers. You can say, just say your promotional methods. Here you can say social media traffic. Current networks, you can just write any network. But for the promotional methods, I'm going to provide a file which has templates for various promotional methods. So go to my Telegram channel. I'm going to post the template for the promotional methods, the things you can use for this, or you can just go to ChatGPT and search. Then networks, you can say CPA Grip, the ones which you're working on. CPA Grip. You can say AFMine or OGADS. And once you are done, check that you're not a robot and you're good to go. Then verification takes 24 hours. So once you submit, they have to review your application, whether it's legit, and then they are going to give you a confirmation email like this one, the one I got here. So once you are done with all that, just click register an account. So once you click register an account, this is the response you get. Thank you for submitting your application. Please verify your email and await approval. So let me go and check the email for verifying. Okay, now I've gotten my email. Let me click here and paste the link. Yes, so this is the message you get. Thank you for verifying your email. Please wait for a response from our approval team. So just wait for 24 hours and your account will be approved. Now, people may be asking yourselves, why AdBlueMedia? AdBlueMedia is among the best CPA networks for beginners. Normally, I recommend AdBlueMedia and CPA Grip for beginners because they have very high paying offers. For example, here if you go to all offers, they have various types of offers: email submit offers, mobile pin submit, cost per install, general surveys, email and zip submit. For beginners, I prefer using email and zip submit because you're going to get various high paying offers under email and zip submit. For example, here you can see that by just promoting this offer and submitting the email, you're going to be paid $1. Others can pay $3, yeah, and even high, depending with the kind of the promotion you are doing. So here the highest is around $3 for just promoting your offer. And if a person registers and submits their email on those particular offer, you get paid. This is why I recommend for beginners to start with AdBlueMedia and CPA Grip. That's on my CPA course. I'm starting in AdBlueMedia and CPA Grip because they are the best for beginners. But this video was just to show you how to register an account on AdBlueMedia. Make sure you follow the steps that I showed and you'll be guaranteed to get an account for AdBlueMedia. Then later on, I'll show you how to make money using your AdBlueMedia account. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video.